Some common risks of working at height which leads to serious incidents and injuries include the use of unstable working platforms, fragile work surfaces, openings that lack barricades, untrained workers using safety harness and lifelines incorrectly, workers that are not trained in rescue of the victim, scaffolding not inspected before use of defective or not maintained equipment, winds blowing off materials or even the worker, semi-constructed buildings, no netting or catchment, workers not using required PPEs in high-risk areas, or poor health condition of the worker like high blood pressure, vertigo, etc. To avert such risks of serious injuries, a hierarchy of controls has been drawn, which is as follows. Elimination. Don't do a job at height if you can do it on ground. Substitution. Replace all defective and faulty equipment with new and safer equipment. Engineering control. Try to design out risks and eliminate them altogether. Administrative controls. Use signs and exclusion zones to keep people out of dangerous areas and by following permit to work procedure, etc. Personal protective equipment. Workers should be trained properly to use the PPE and they should be in good condition. Most of the height work activities are executed with the help of temporary elevated scaffolds. Here are some essential scaffolding do's and don'ts. Do not use scaffolding for storage purpose. Do not tie safety belt at lower elevation than the working level of person. Do not use a makeshift ladder of pipes to ascend or descend. Do not keep loose material on the platform. Do not execute work on different floor at a time. Do not drop material from higher elevation. Do not block emergency escape route or other emergency equipments with scaffold. Maintain safe distance from electrical HT cable as per safety guideline. Know your surrounding hazards before erection of scaffold. Fall of person and fall of objects are the top cause of serious injuries among construction employees since site conditions are changing very frequently. Apart from following the hierarchy, some additional guidelines need to be followed for general construction work, such as horizontal catch nets should be installed close to the structure to catch falling persons or materials. When safety harness is used for all fall protection safe anchorage point, rescue procedure and other requirements should be fulfilled. Lanyards to be used to tie tools to belt or wrists. A permanent exclusion zone to be created. Boom lifts, mast climbers or scissor lifts must be used for working at height. As per Tata Group safety standards, step ladder or straight ladder can be used only for maximum 30 minutes and light work can hold up to 10 kg of load. Even though the goal is to prevent fall, injuries or accidents, a rescue plan has to be ready, which can help the worker to come out of the harness suspension trauma.